Hi LearnDash users. Do you want to automatically log out users in WordPress after a period of activity? As a security-conscious site admin, you may want to force inactive users to log in again. Online educational websites and apps already use this technique to avoid unauthorized users from accessing accounts or hijacking them. You can also implement this functionality on your own WordPress website to improve more security. The first thing you need to do is install and activate the inactive logout plugin. After activation the plugin, simply go to WordPress settings and click the inactive logout menu to configure the plugin settings. First, you need to enter the time after which a user will be automatically logged out. You can enter the time in minutes and make sure it is not too short or too long. Disable timeout countdown option will remove the countdown warning and it will directly log out users. Disable concurrent logins option will restrict your WordPress users from concurrent logins. This means they will not be able to use the same account to log in at the same time from different devices. By default, the plugin displays a login pop-up and does not redirect users. You can enable this option to redirect users to any other page you want. If you want to set timeout rules based on user roles and capabilities, then you can do so under the Advanced Management tab on the plugin settings page. First, you need to select the user roles that you want to set up differently than global settings. After that, you will be able to select timeout in minutes, redirect, or even disable timeout settings for that user role. Once you are satisfied with the settings, click on the Save Settings button to save your changes. That's it. So, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you have achieved some valuable information. Please subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.